YouTube, what it do, man? As y'all boys can see, I'm coming to y'all a little different, man. We finna show y'all a little bit more of my life besides just driving the Scat, man. Y'all know how I drive the Scat, man. So I want to switch it up for y'all boys and bring different type of content rather than just POVs and shit like that. So yeah, man, right now we on the way to go get a cut, man. So I'm gonna just bring y'all with me today, man. We gonna still mix the POV in there too, but we just switching things up a little bit, man. So right now we on the way to go get a cut. And good thing about that, my little brother cut hair, so I can pull up anytime I want. You feel me? So y'all boys just stay tuned, man. Coming different, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me know how y'all like the vlog type, and we'll keep doing it if y'all rock with it, man. So y'all catch y'all boys when I get done getting it cut. Gone. What it do? What's up, man? We back from getting it cut, man. Y'all peep the detail, little brother did his thing, man. Peep the line up. Know y'all see it. But yeah, man, we finna try to go get a wash, man. The Scat is a little dirty. Everybody outside, man, y'all know it's tat time, man. So everybody and they auntie and they grandma outside, man. So we finna try to get that wash, man. If we can't, we'll just get that bit another day, man. So off to the car wash, man. Let's do it. Alright, what to do, YouTube, man? It is the next day, man. We did indeed get the wash, man. We got that bit detailed up, man. But right now, we is on the way to the gym. Alright, y'all boys, we just finished up with the gym, man. As y'all boys can see, your boy just did a cool 3-mile walk, man. You better focus. 3-mile walk, y'all see. But yeah, man, we finna dive into the POV, man. I'm finna put y'all boys on my head, man. We're gonna hop right into it, man. Excuse me, twin. Sitting over there in the cut. They think they slick. I blew it, man. They stay in my neighborhood, man. I talk to them all the time. They love the car. What the This man is riding a lawnmower. This man is riding a lawnmower up the hill. Boy, what is going on, boy? That boy riding a lawnmower up the hill, gang. Gotta go slow right here. So many speed cams right here, boy. I know for a fact there's one in that Waffle House and there's one right here. Y'all see it right here. Right here. Like I told y'all before, I don't be paying no motherfucker. Clean yellow Daytona. I do not be paying no speed count tickets, boy. Police ain't give me that bit. Boy, trying to see who mama is with all that ass at Walmart. Huh? But yeah, man, we had to make a quick stop at Walmart, man. We back to the POV. Downshifts, boy. hard to drive it's so hard to drive this car normal. Like every time you get in, you just want to do some YN stuff, man. You just want to just get up through there. Alright, y'all boys, just gonna wrap this one up for today, man. Hope y'all boys enjoyed. Got the Scat parked up right here, man. Yeah, man, y'all let me know how y'all like the vlog / POV style video. Yeah, man, we'll keep running it up for y'all boys, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, hype, do all that what you need to do. Y'all boys, don't forget to tap into the IG right here on the side. Almost to 10K, man. Get your boy to 10K. I'ma catch y'all boys in the next one, man.